Introducing Baby Newborn Resuscitation Simulator by Vitaliya, your complete training solution for standard newborn care and life support. Engineered with precise anatomical landmarks, the simulator features accessible internal structures, including mechanically expandable lungs for realistic visual feedback. Master critical CPR techniques. The manikin supports multiple compression methods and provides an auditory click to confirm correct compression rate and depth. Practice effective airway patency. When the head is correctly positioned, trainees can use a bag and mask to achieve a highly visible, realistic chest rise. Bring the simulation to life using our color-coded manual bulbs. Rhythmic squeezing of the large green bulb creates a visible chest rise to simulate spontaneous breathing. Once breathing is established, squeezing the small red bulb provides a palpable pulse in the umbilical stump. Train in comprehensive umbilical cord management. The system includes replaceable umbilical cords and clamps, allowing practitioners to safely practice clamping and cutting. Durable, intuitive, and highly realistic. Enhance your medical simulation programs today with the Vitaliya Newborn Simulator.